Ka jingnyai ba ka gau Pratishtha Andolan lane la pelong hakari berok kawai ban kentiu ya ke kerdan jong ke masi sya ke kerdan Rashtra mata lane ke kemie jong kari da ke bara ke kendon ya da masi na ke thup trekam jong ki jela sya ke thup trekam ke soka kemie hakari ti sensyar kari bat ban pensange no ya ke jing shokdo ke masi hapori India kumshi benta jong kene ke jing yakhi ke jing ya ba gau Dhwaj Sthapana Bharat Yatra kan Sdang Naduh ke Tarik Nailur haduk ke Tarik Urisau ahaja apusau. Kini ke Yatra kan selit yuk kejat syabarok kinong ba jong ke jela bat jong ke Union Territory. Hinin ke sengi ke seng HYC ke lapelong ke jingekhi ke bepersya ya kini ke Yatra bat mentak ke sengi pat ke seng hitoru ke lapak de ke shiti sya umintirang ba ke jela ban perking ya ke gau Dhwaj Sthapana Bharat Yatra Hameghalaya.
On our fundamental right. Nobody can dictate us what to eat and what not to eat. Even in the Wildlife Act, also only dog and cats are included, not a cow. These people, their intention, we allege from the organization that they want to create trouble, especially in October in the month of Durga Puja. So we condemn and we ask the government not to allow these people. But if they allow, we have no option, but we will raise our flag. That is the Federation of KHASI state flag known as our Sanhima.